making money using TikTok. Let's grow your business on TikTok using social media, a free platform, how you can monetize with that platform with your business, regardless if it's digital marketing, affiliate marketing, network marketing, whatever it is. Let's start making you money. This is the fourth video series, and we're going to talk about how to use other people's words or songs, mimic them with your voice, and create fun videos to add that kind of fun flair to your business. The whole idea is let's get people binge watching your TikTok videos, right? And always have the same message. Hey, my name is Wendy. I'm a grandma from Ontario, Canada. I've gone from 0 followers to over 1,000 in under 9 days, sorry. And I teach you the same strategy, how I've made over 6 figures in under 2 months by following this system. Now, if you've been using TikTok and you haven't set it up the right way, you need to start at the beginning of this course so you know how to set up your bio correctly. It's very strategic, walking you through each step. So without further ado, let's figure out how you can create those lip syncing videos on TikTok. Here we go. Okay, we're going to now do a training on no talking TikToks. Now, as you go through your homepage,
like and save this for later.
You're going to see different TikToks that you enjoy, or there's some, funny words or funny sounds that you want to save. So when you do save,
how to get big results on a small budget, we have the perfect solution. TikTok. Biggest misconception about affiliate marketing is that
this little flag, you would use that little yellow flag
about affiliate marketing is that you have.
Okay, so maybe I like what she just said, or it's a thing that I want to save. So I go to my home,
to do
my profile here. So I'm in my profile. So along the top, you'll see this is where all my posts are. So if I click on that, those are my posts. And that's where my stories that are past. I've only tried one story. And saved is right there. So every time I save something, it will go here. And along the top, you'll see there's posts that I saved. See, I just saved her post right there. And it could be sounds. So I like either saving posts or sounds. So I like this girl, Charlotte Ann Tucker. She's funny. She's got a lot of followers, and she just creates some really neat posts. So let's look at this one. So if I, oops, one second. So I've saved it like that, but let's just go in and see her. So you can see this sound. 31 people have made a post on this sound. You can see that up at the top. And this is the original post. Anytime you see that, you just go to the bottom right and you can go in here and you see.
If your elevator to success is out of order, don't give up. Just take the stairs.
So she's already got 3,266 likes, and she did this on May the 8th. So, I mean, it's not super huge, but it's still fun.
If your elevator.
So if you have ones that are more than that, like way out there, then those are good ones to use, especially if they're really new. You can get in on that early, and TikTok will shoot you out in the algorithm. But for now, you can see here I have this up here. If it wasn't added to favorites, it'd look like that, but because it is, it's black. So I want to use this sound. So we're going to click this button down here and use this sound. So you're going to see this is where timer comes into handy dandy, because we need to make sure that we practice this.
If your elevator to success is out of order, don't give up. Just take the stairs.
So you can practice that, and then you just practice by doing it again and again until you get it. So let's just try.
If your elevator to success is out of order, don't give up. Just take the stairs. If your elevator to success is out of order, don't give up. Just take the stairs.
Not too bad. It might be fun if you were doing that and you could stop it and do it in different phrases, and you could be walking up the stairs when you say, don't give up, just take the stairs, right? You could visually do something with that while you're doing the post. Anyways, okay, so
if your elevator 26 steps is out of order,
just going to turn that sound down for a minute. So you want to, if you didn't get it right, you just go back and practice it again. You do it again and again until you get it the way you want it. But you can't do auto captions. You see right there, the captions doesn't work for something like this. You have to actually put the words in yourself. So I can't even remember what she said now. So let me just turn on the volume again so I can hear it.
elevator 26 steps is out of order, don't give up. Just take the stairs. If your elevator 26 steps is out of order, don't give up. Just take the stairs. If your elevator 26 steps is out of order, don't give up. Just take the stairs.
Okay, so we have that, and we'll want to set the duration so it's with the talking. So okay, so there we go. That should be the end of that. And then I want to put the other text to pop on right after that one's done.
If your elevator 26 steps is out of order,
what's going on here?
Don't give up. Just take the stairs.
Okay, now it should work.
If elevator 26 steps is out of order.
Okay, I think I want it to start. I think I'm going to trim my video too once I get that done. So trim the video up here again, remember? See if we can trim it, if it's going to work with the words. Nope. So if you did it wrong, just go back, and then these little arrows right here is like you trimmed it, you don't like it, go back, or you can go forward.
If your elevator 26 steps is out of order, don't give up. Just take the stairs.
So I might want to say,
if your
don't.
Elevator 26 steps is out of order, don't give up. Just take the stairs.
Give up. I want to have those in capital letters. Maybe I want to make it.
Give up. Just take the stairs.
So then you see when those other words behind there are light, that's telling me where they are. And as soon as they pop up, oop, they popped up. And then it's going to be don't give up. There we go.
If your elevator 26
and then I want to have
out of order,
just
don't give up.
Take the stairs.
Elevator 26 steps is out of order, don't give up.
So I want this one to go right after my red. There we go.
If your elevator 26 steps is out of order, don't give up. Just take the stairs. If your elevator 26 steps is out of order, don't give up. Just take the stairs. If your elevator 26 steps is out of order, don't give up.
Elevator, not elevated.
If your elevator 26 steps is out of order, don't give up. Just take the stairs.
You move your fonts. Now also you want to, I'm going to turn my volume down here again. So you also want to make sure that your text is not way out here like this. You want to have it in a bit because different size phones is going to cut it out. So you don't want to have it too big that you can't. And you know, I have a shirt on with words on it, so it's kind of a confusing, you know, shirt to have on when I'm doing this. But I could change it to be, you know, like this, so then it's not competing with my shirt too much. I could even angle it if I wanted. So that don't give up. Maybe I want to angle it, maybe make it a little bigger. Wait for it to pop back on. There we go. So let's see what that looks like. Okay, so again, what I was saying earlier about making sure it doesn't go off the page a bit. So I'm going to make that a little smaller. There we go. Make it a little smaller. There we go. Okay, so that's pretty good. So with this, like I said, you have to type your captions on. You could also, instead of having actual captions, what they said, I could say something like, if I'm relating to affiliate marketing, if you've tried everything in the past and nothing seems to work, don't give up. Try something new today, or try Rapid Profit Machine if I'm talking about the affiliate marketing platform I'm using. So that way it's kind of relating to the content, but I'm putting in my own words. So that would be a good way. So then you would hit next. And again, you would do your bubble screen. You would put your post in there, your characters, your hashtags, and then you can save it to your drafts like that. Okay, so that's one way of doing a faceless video. There's another way of doing a faceless video, and that is by doing a background video. So I put those in every now and then. It's kind of like this. Okay, so I put music in, and I put music on and just some words over top. And that's kind of nice to sprinkle into your mix. I did this again with my granddaughter. And I put thought-provoking words on that would relate to why I'm doing affiliate marketing. So you want to be intentional when you're putting these types of posts on there. You want to make sure it has something to do with your business, and you can have a lot of fun with it and sprinkle those in. They're easy to do, and they're perfect to store into your drafts so that you have something for a, post a serious one of you talking, and then post one of those thought-provoking ones with just saying words on it. And then you can do fun ones like, I just got a tripod selfie stick, so I did this. And that was just me having some fun with my selfie stick and doing crazy things in the camera. And you know what? And I said, can you say business right off, right? And then this one's another one I did with I actually went to Instagram, they do a boomerang, and I did a boomerang in the stories, saved it, and then uploaded it to TikTok and added my captions. I wanted to put music with this, but I completely forgot and then just posted it. But anyways, it's fine. It's had a lot of hearts and comments and stuff. So hey, it worked. And another thing is, what you want to do is you never really want to delete. You never want to delete. If you've accidentally, like if I uploaded that and went, oh shoot, I wanted to put sound in there, I just leave it. You don't delete it. Apparently it does something negatively to your algorithm. So you want to just leave it, unless it's something that's really offensive, or something you wanted to fix and you didn't, and it was something that you really don't want out there, then delete that. Or if TikTok has deemed that as a bad post, they took it off, and they've because something, maybe they figure you're saying something that you shouldn't have. Then I did one of my dog once going into the bed, and I don't know, I guess they thought I was talking about nudity or bed or something, but I was just saying, look who's in the bed with me, but it was my dog. Anyways, but things like that, TikTok will deem as violating their policies or something. So I would delete those, because I think they leave a negative mark on your account, and you want to keep your account fairly clean, because you don't want to be banned or shut down from TikTok, right? You're trying to build a business account.
or a business with your account here.
Right now, that was fun. I encourage you to try some. I have them all over my TikTok page, so you can give me a follow. You'll find my TikTok link in the description. Follow along on my TikTok channel. You can use the same lip syncing that I do and practice this strategy. You're going to have a lot of fun with it. Now that you've done this, let's figure out next how you can do duets and why they're important for your channel, how you can use them to grow. Here we go. See you in